this video, I'm going to show you how to install, open, subscribe to, configure, and then run a quick session of MicroCut. To get started, head on over to the Google Play Store, search for MicroCut, and once you find it, just tap the install button and wait for the installation process to complete. When installation is complete, simply tap the open button and the app will open automatically directly from the Play Store. There'll be a permission dialog that is displayed. Just allow that permission so that you can overwrite the free space on an external drive. Now that you've opened the app, the next thing to do is subscribe. Simply tap on the subscribe button and follow the Google Play Store subscription process. Of course, there's a free trial period, so you get to kick the tires before deciding whether or not you want to keep the app. Once you've subscribed, you need to configure the app. Just tap on the Settings tab and the settings will be displayed. If you work for the Department of Defense or the Department of Energy, you can enable those standards. Otherwise, you don't need to enable these settings. The next thing you can change is the number of overwrites and the overwrite pattern. It's fine to leave it as a single overwrite of a fixed pattern. Some people like to change this. That's fine as well. It's not really necessary, but it also doesn't hurt anything. It does slow the process down a little bit. The next thing you might want to do is enable external storage overwriting. Depends whether or not you have external storage. It doesn't hurt to turn it on whether you do or don't. So if you don't know, just turn it on. And finally, you can configure how you want to see progress displayed. Once you're finished configuring the app, it's time to go and effectively overwrite the free space. Click on the MicroCut tab and tap the MicroCut button. And now MicroCut will just do its thing. This is all completely automatic. Be aware that your free space will be completely filled up as this process continues. There's two ways to get your free space back: wait for the process to complete, or cancel the process. Either way, it's just this simple.